guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Brooke. Today I'm filming a monthly favorites for you guys, kind of like quarantine edition products and different things that I've been using and loving during this quarantine that I wanted to share with you guys today. So let's get right into the video. The first category is kind of going to be like a little bit of makeup, and I haven't really been wearing makeup during quarantine at all, except when I'm filming a sit-down video, to be honest, like today. So one thing that I love to do if I am running out and I don't want to look horrible, one thing I am loving is the no makeup look, but with a little bit of this Glossier cloud paints. It's kind of like a cream blush almost. It's amazing. I love it. This shade is beautiful. Just a little bit of this on to give you a little bit of color. It is beautiful. I love lip gloss so much. I use it all the time. This is just from the Philosophy brand, and it is coconut frosting lip gloss. It goes on clear, and I'm just really into like that clear look right now. It's very like modelly and effortless, and I love it. It smells so good. And I love anything coconut. So this is definitely one of my favorites this month. I've also been into a lot of skincare recently, and I have a lot of new products coming in that I'm so excited to try. But one of my all-time favorite skincare brands is Fresh Beauty. I love everything by them. I have very sensitive skin, and I've noticed their products work very well with my skin. They don't irritate it or break it out or anything, and I love the ingredients and stuff. And this is just the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. This has been one of my favorite things ever. It smells so good. It smells like you walked into a garden of roses and you're putting it on your face. Amazing. I can't get enough of it. Like, I have to smell it right now. It smells so good. So I always try to keep my lips hydrated as possible. This stuff right here, I feel like I talk about it in every video I do. I can't get enough of it, honestly. By far, product of the year for me, or the past 2 years, however long I've been using it, product of my life. It is the Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask. If you don't have it, like, this is a game changer. You really need to get this, or at least get a sample of it or something. But so absolutely love this product. It is a must-have for me every single day of my life. Now moving on to some fashion stuff. I love these shoes. This style of shoe I'm so into right now. I have 2 different ones. They're like sandals with these like little tiny heels. I think they're so beautiful. They remind me a little bit of the Bottega sandals. I love. They're so cute. They're super in style right now. Very 90s, which I'm all about. And I don't know, I think they're so cute. And these are both from Shoe Dazzle, so you can get those on there. shoedazzle.com/springshop. Go check it out. So cute, so comfortable, and so in style right now. Also, to go with my little 90s trends that I'm loving are these little mini shoulder bags. Like, I can't get enough. Like, look at that. I'm gonna wear this today with my outfit when I run errands. I love it. I feel like these go with everything, and I got them in both colors. This is the same bag in both colors because I love it so much. Like, it's so cool to me, and I want to wear these bags everywhere I go. They actually hold a good bit of stuff. These are super trendy right now. They're pretty affordable, and I don't know, I love them. I think they're so cool, so classy. You can dress it up or dress it down, and it adds so much to your look, so in style, and also goes with that 90s look if you're going for that like me. I want to talk a little bit about jewelry. I'm really into little like dainty gold jewelry right now. So I have this. I love this. I wear it all the time. You've probably seen it in my videos. It's just so chic. Also have this one, which has my initial on it, which I think is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see it. I love layering these pieces together, and yeah, I just think gold jewelry is so in right now, and it can also go with everything. You can layer it, so cute, and the gold is just so timeless and classic. So my favorite SPF right now is the Sun Bum Face 50. I love all of the Sun Bum products. They're amazing. Their chapstick is bomb, by the way. And like I said, I have very sensitive skin. This one doesn't irritate it or anything. I like the ingredients in it. And it is dermatologist tested, gluten-free, vegan, fragrance-free, and breakout-free. I love it. Have to protect your skin. Speaking of laying out, this bikini is my fave. It's one of the Frankie's bikinis. It is in this beautiful purple color. I'm not kidding, it is the best quality bikini I've ever owned in my life. Always wanted to get one. I just never wanted to spend that much money on a swimsuit because I was like, oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. Like, I'm literally just gonna be laying out. Like, why would I spend that much money? And I tried it on and it was on sale. And I was like, okay, now I know why everybody's buying this. These are the bottoms. They are like a high rise, like on your hip, and they are very cheeky. So if you like to get a nice tan all over like me, this is the one for you. So I've been spending a lot of time at home not wanting to like put on regular clothes. So sweats are my life right now. Sweats are my best friends, especially sweats from Brandy Melville. I cannot get enough of these. These are just like my go-to classic sweats. I have so many Brandy sweats, it's a little embarrassing. They're all in the wash right now because I wear them every day, but these are just my classic go-tos. These are my favorite ones that I've ever bought. And I got these in LA, and I don't think they make this style anymore, which is so sad because they are literally the best and they're so soft. Like, I could live in these sweatpants, no joke. I've also been taking a ton of photos with my Polaroid camera. I've had this for quite some time, but this year I'm so into it. I think because I'm sitting at home bored and I just want to take photos because I have nothing else to do. This camera is awesome because you don't have to go out, you don't have to get it developed or anything. It just pops right out. And then, I don't know, I love it. I've been taking pictures of like everything, and I love creating memories and stuff, and I love my Polaroid camera. It's so cool. And yeah, it's just fun. It's keeping me entertained right now for sure. I've also been lighting a ton of candles. I'm all about a good scent. And this candle I've been obsessed with recently. It is espresso. It just smells so good. It's like a cute little French cafe. Oh, it smells so good. And I think that this one is from Whole Foods. I'm pretty sure. Next, I'm gonna be talking about essential oil. I love lavender essential oil. That's like my all-time favorite. Lavender or anything. I love it. But this is a lemon essential oil. After I take like all the dishes out and stuff, I will put this in my sink with hot water, and the steam from it just kind of like steams it out, I guess. It makes it more fragrant, and you can smell it throughout the entire kitchen. And I've been using this like every single day in there, and every time I walk into my kitchen, it just smells so fresh and so clean. Also, being stuck at home, I've been doing a ton of cooking. I love to cook, and my all-time favorite person to watch ever is Ina Garten from Barefoot Contessa. I love her so much. I have 3 of her cookbooks currently. I want to get all of them. I'm about to pre-order her new one that comes out in October. If she comes anywhere near me during her book tour, I'm going. So I've been obsessed with this cookbook in particular. This is the Cooking for Jeffrey. I've made so many things out of this cookbook during quarantine, and it's incredible, incredible. So if you like to cook and you're running out of ideas and need some inspiration, get this book. It is so great and helpful, and her recipes are really easy, which is nice, and they taste amazing. I actually cooked this, like on the back, and it was amazing. 10 out of 10 would recommend this book, 100%. I've got to talk about these wine glasses. These are beautiful. These are just from West Elm. I think it's the prettiest wine glass I've ever seen in my life. I love everything about it. The shape is just so cool to me. Get your little quarantine cocktail going, or, you know, do some kombucha, drink your water in it. I don't know, but they're just really fun, and I think they're so pretty, and these are my all-time favorite. What I've been using the most during this quarantine time, what I'm actually wearing right now on my feet, are these slippers. They're so extra. I wear them pretty much the entire day I'm at home. They're just so comfortable. Like, if I could wear slippers every day of my life for the rest of my life, I would. And especially these. These are my favorite. These are from Victoria's Secret. My mom got them for me during Christmas time last year, so I don't know if they're still available, but they are the most comfortable slippers I've ever owned in my life. Not even gonna lie. I've been binge watching so many shows right now on Netflix, so I wanted to share a few of my favorites for you guys in case you guys want to check them out. I've been loving Twin Peaks. But like, if you haven't seen Twin Peaks, you need to watch it. Stop what you're doing, go check it out. It is so good. Probably like my favorite show now after watching it. It was really good. Another one that I cannot seem to live without is Gossip Girl. I'm always watching it. I've watched it so much during quarantine, it's bad. I've been loving Outer Banks. I watched so many episodes of it yesterday. It's a little embarrassing, and it's a really good, so that's definitely a show to check out if you haven't already. Also, me and my boyfriend have watched so much of Friends. They had taken it off of Netflix, which was so depressing, but his friend had like the DVD like set of it. So we're finally getting to finish it because we started it from the beginning and just working all the way through, which is really cool to see. I've also been playing a ton of Call of Duty during this time. I've played it almost every single day since quarantine started. I'm getting good at it, but I want to get amazing at it. So that is my quarantine favorites of this month. Let me know what products you guys have been loving this past month during quarantine. You can send me a DM or let me know down below. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
Late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.